Are you ready to start making real money online? With Home Website Builder, you can build your own cash-generating website in less than 30 minutes with no experience. Home Website Builder gives you the simple tools to set up your own income-generating websites by simply dragging and dropping products you want to sell into your site. We've set up affiliations with some of the biggest online marketplaces like Amazon, MoreNiche, and ClickBank to turn your web traffic into revenue. All you need to do is choose an area you're interested in. Choose from over 150 professional templates and write a few short reviews for products you want to promote on the site. You can add more content and customize the site or just stick to the template. We'll help you get set up with the people who sell the products you choose and show you how to generate traffic using Google, Bing, and Yahoo. When people read your reviews and buy the product, you get a commission. You don't need to know anything about HTML, programming, or design. If you can drag and drop, you can build a website. Get started with your first money-making website today for free. Just fill out the form to get started.